Welcome. In this video, I will try to create a project for advanced car parking system using Verilog. So I will be first creating a project in Vivado. So I will be using Vivado. So let us create a new project file. These are the initial steps to create a project file. So this will give us the a window to create a project. So first we will go to add sources. We will create a design source. So we will create a Verilog file. So we can name this as car underscore parking. So you can give it any name. I am giving it car underscore parking. So then click on finish, and we have to click on finish. So we will now specify the ports. So I will be creating 8 parking slots. So 0 to 7 is my input, and I can have 9 output values, because there can be either 0 car parked or 1 car parked or 2 car parked or so on up to 8 car parked. So there can be total 9 output values. Hence I have taken the output to be a 4-bit. So the output is given by num, and the parking slots are given by the variable cars. So as you can see, it is from 0 to 7. So there are total 8 number of slots, and each slot has a sensor. So that sensor will send a signal to the output. So we will count the total number of signals coming. So if car is parked, then the signal will come. If car is not parked, then the signal will not come. So in the end, finally we will count the total numbers of signals that are coming, and that will give us the number of parked cars. So we can have either 0 parked car or 1 parked car or 2 parked car, or up to 8 parked cars, or up to 9 possible outputs. So as you can see in the final, I am counting the signals from all the parking slots. So if car is parked, then the output will be 1. So the total number of ones will be counted, and that will give us the number of the parked cars. So this is the Verilog code. So we will run the simulation and try to see the output. So this is running the simulation. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel if you are not done so. And also for any suggestion on any video, you can post the comment in the comment box. So this will take some time to simulate. So let us wait for the waveforms. So as you can see, now we have the waveform here. So first let us initialize all the values to 0. So we have to force the constant. So go here and force constant to 0. So we are resetting all the parking slots. So I will run it for a small time duration. So you can see all the parking slots are 0 here. So no car is parked. So let me force constant 1. So 1 means 1 car is parked here. So and when I run it, then you can see the output changes to 1. So 1 car is parked. Now let us force another constant to be 1. So I am I am making 4 also as 1, means fourth slot is also occupied. So as you can see, the number has changed to 2. So it means 2 cars are parked. So let us change the third slot also to 1. So now you can see the number has changed to 3. So it means 3 cars are parked in slot 7, 3 and 4. So and if we remove a car from any slot, so let me remove the car from this third slot. So we will force the constant to 0. So it means the no car is parked here. So and we are parking the car in some other spot. So as you can see, again 3 is coming, because we have total 3 cars parked here. So in this way we can simulate the our output. And let me park a car in the zero slot as well. So now you can see total 4 cars are parked. So in this way, when you start when you start to park cars, then it will change the number of parked cars also. So as you can see, when I have only 2 cars parked, then it will it will give the value of num as 2. Now let us change all the slots to 1, so it means all the slots are occupied. So when all the slots are occupied, then you can see the output will be 8, because 1 is in all the slots, so it means all the slots are occupied. So you can see the value of num is 8, and you can see the waveform also. So in this way, uh, we can write the code for advanced car parking system. We have to use total 8 slots. You can change the number of slots also as per your project. Thank you. Please like and share the video, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, post your doubt in the comment box.